Welcome to the Basumscat Voice Network, the official student broadcasting platform of Dr. Emilio Espinosa Sr. Memorial State College of Agriculture and Technology, Kawayan Campus. We are committed to delivering accurate news, inspiring stories, educational content, and exciting campus updates that connect, inform, and empower the students' community. With passion, creativity, and activity, we bring the voice of every divisions closer to the world. This is your campus, your stories, and your voice. Only here at the Basumscat Voice Network. I am Mildred C. Pilayo, and I am Baby Joy Estabanales, your news anchors. For today's headlines, the results of the SSC elections are officially out. Kawayan Campus clinches championship in Dumb Olympics 2026. EduCate 2026 brings magic, unity, and creativity to the Basumscat Kawayan Campus. Dr. Anthony V. Alamansorin brings pride to the Basumscat Kawayan Campus. Miss Jamaica Leia Alberio crowned Miss Kawayan 2026 and Miss the Basumscat 2026. The results of the SSC elections are officially out. Ms. Chara will give us the updates.
Good day, divisions. The official result for the Supreme Student Council election for academic year 2026-2027 are officially out. Following the successful voting held at Dr. Emilio Espinosa Sr. Memorial State College of Agriculture and Technology, Mandaue and Kawayan campuses.
Kawayan Campus clinches championship in Dumb Olympics 2026. So let's have Mr. Jetro for the report.
Basumscat Kawayan Campus basketball team emerged victorious after defeating College of Agriculture held at the Basumscat Mandaue campus. The thrilling match kept the crowd on their feet as both teams displayed determination, teamwork, and resilience until the final buzzer.
EduCate 2026 brings magic, unity, and creativity to the Basumscat Kawayan Campus. Miss Geraldine, how was the celebration?
The campus came alive with colorful decorations and exciting activities that encourage collaboration and leadership among future educators. Students participated in team-building games, the Yale Showdown, House Boat Showcase, and the most awaited Mr. and Miss Wizard pageant. Participants confidently showcased their talents, creativity, and teamwork while embracing the magical theme of the event. According to organizers, EduCate 2026 was designed not only to entertain students but also to strengthen unity, purpose, and passion for education.
Dr. Anthony V. Alamansorin brings pride to the Basumscat Kawayan Campus. Ms. Dessa will give us more information.
The Basumscat Kawayan Campus proudly celebrates the achievement of Dr. Anthony V. Alamansorin after being recognized as one of the 2026 National Outstanding Extensionists of the Year.
Jamaica Leia Alberio crowned Miss Kawayan 2026 and Miss the Basumscat 2026. Miss Chara will give us the highlights of the event.
Jamaica Leia Alberio has officially been crowned as Miss Kawayan 2026 and Miss the Basumscat 2026, bringing pride and honor to the entire the Basumscat Kawayan campus community.
That's all for today's campus news update. I am Mildred C. Pilayo, and I am Baby Joy Estabanales, and this has been your source of campus news and information. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.